My dear students, in this question all the surfaces are smooth. Okay, two blocks are kept on a smooth fixed slope. Block of mass 2 kg is moving down the plane with constant acceleration 2 meter per second square. If block of mass 2 kg is moving down the plane, then block of mass m will be moving up the plane with same magnitude of acceleration, that is 2 meter per second square. We have to find out the value of mass m. This angle is 90 degree, this angle is 37 degree, then this angle will be 53 degree. Right angle triangle. Draw the FVD of 2 kg block. Suppose normal N1 in this direction, tension T in this direction, mass is 2 kg, then gravitational force is m into g, that means 2 into g. Value of g is given 10 meter per second square, then this will be 20. If we take the component of gravitational force mg, this angle is 37 degree, then again this angle will be 37 degree. This is 20. Component of this 20 is 20 sin 37. And this component will be 20 cos 37. Sin 37 is 3 by 5, then this value will be 12. The same way, draw the FVD of block of mass m. In this direction, tension will be same T. From here to here, string is same, then tension will be same. In this direction, suppose normal is N2, mass is m, then gravitational force is m into g. We have to take the component of gravitational force mg. Since this angle is 53 degree, again this angle will be 53 degree. This mg, component of this mg in this direction is mg cos 53, and component of mg in this direction will be mg sin 53. mg sin 53. Put the value of g and sin 53. We get m, value of g is 10 and sin 53 is 4 by 5. Then this value will be 8m. Value of this component is 8m. Now we have to use the Newton's second law. For 2 kg and m kg separately. For 2 kg block, acceleration is down the plane, then net force will be down the plane. Down the plane, net force on 2 kg is 12 minus t. Net force is 12 minus t equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is 2 into acceleration is also 2. This will be 4. First equation. For this block, acceleration is up the plane, then net force will be up the plane. Then up the plane net force will be tension minus component of this component of mg, its value is 8m. Then up the plane net force will be t minus 8m. Equation is t minus 8m equal to m into a, value of a is 2. This is equation number 2. Now add these two equations, minus t plus t 0. On adding these two equations, we get 12 minus 8m equal to 2 into 2 4 plus 2m. On solving this, 12 minus 4 8 equal to 8m and 2m 10m, then value of m will be 8 by 10, that means 0.8 kg. Final answer is value of m is 8 kg. In option 1 it is given as 0.8 kg, hence final answer is first 0.8 kg. Thank you.